first we are going to buy some seeds. The best way to get more money is by spamming the carrots. Yes. Cool water. You can use that for later. Now we'll just wait for a little bit to give them some mutations. Like wet. Right now we already have rain. Right? We're waiting. If they get wet, they will sell more. Like the multiplier is like 2 times. Is this carrot like 20 shekels? It will sell 40 shekels if it got wet. I know that my English is not very good because it's my second language. So is it wet yet? Get wet. Alright, we'll harvest it. I'll sell it now, and then after you sell it, some more carrots because they are very use, useful for early game. If you don't like this type of wrap, you can just like get strawberry and blueberry. And the best one for new players is tomato seeds, corn, truffle seeds, and watermelon. These two, watermelon and pumpkin, is one time plants like carrots. And then we'll sell this again. And then I'll keep doing this over and over. So I'll cut the video until I can buy, what should I buy? Tomato. Until I can buy tomato. Okay guys? I'll cut it. Guys? Alright. With these carrots, we may able to buy the tomato seeds. Alright, let's collect it. Sell it. 300. That's enough. Now we can buy the tomato. Now right here guys, you will need a lot of patience because this crop will grow like 5 minutes. So I'll cut it back. I forgot to say that we're buying the strawberry while the tomato is growing. Alright guys, our tomato is fully grown now. We'll just wait for the fruit that will come out of him. Oh wait, is that a golden? Oh, it's a golden. Let's go. Sell all of these. So after you fully grown that, you can keep. You should only buy this or this. This two is very good for early game farms. Okay, so we have enough. We can get it later. Oh, is that enough? Oh, let's see if we can buy it. I need 200 more. 200. Uh, is there any carrots? So let's buy it fast. Spam it. Let's go. Grow. Oh, it's golden. Did you look at that? Oh, we can definitely buy it. Ooh, here we go. Right now. Now, this flower is very good. You sell a lot more than the carrots. Okay, so small one. Why is it so small? 800. Now we can come by this flower, and then we keep collecting, then sell. Mhm. We'll repeating that. We'll keep doing it until we get like enough to buy corn seeds. And then we'll buy the corn seeds to the corn seed. Make we should make more money, and then we can buy this apple seed if it will come on stock. If it's not on stock, we can buy the bamboo, because bamboo is so easy to get. It's only 4,000 shekels. Oh, we already have 3,200. Well, let's keep buying the orange tulip until it's dry, because it's a really money making flower, and they grow really fast. They grow really fast. Okay, let's sell. Bam, 6k. That's a lot of shekels. If you keep doing this, you can easily make like million shekels. So easy to get like a million shekels. If you're on the bamboo in this slide, few stacks, you can make like half a million with the bamboo, right? 11k. Now we can buy like, what should we buy? There's nothing. We can buy this. Buy the corn and tomato. Now we'll put the corn over here because it's yellow. We want the red ones here. What? We'll just wait until the next stock. I'll cut it for now. Okay, guys. They stock. We have so many carrots here, and we'll buy all of it. And then we don't need more tomatoes. We only have carrots. Okay, I will cut it again. I forgot to mention that if we can buy the common eggs over there, and we hatch like a dog, the dog is very useful for new players, because in few minutes it will dig out a seed or nothing. It can dig out like mythic and divine seeds. Even this, what you call it again? Even this beanstalk, the dog can dig the seeds of the beanstalk if we get lucky. Okay, now I'll cut it again. Alright, let's see. Okay, we have more fruits to collect, and we might be able to get the pet eggs in like few minutes if we get lucky with the new stock right now. Carrot, that's good. No orange tulip, that's okay. Oh, bamboo, this is it, the money making machine. Wait, let's buy the carrot. Let's buy the carrot. Alright, now we'll spam this here. There. Now let's wait for this bamboo to grow. Oh, that can have a big bamboo. Look, look over there. That's a very big bamboo. Oh, yes, I got a seed. I got new seed. Oh, we got so lucky. Wait, let's look for the seed. Seed. Yeah. Now we can plant it again. Oh, let's sell. How much? How much is it? 600. That's not bad. It should be. I really want to buy all of these, but I don't think we have enough time because this bamboo is taking so long to grow. Like, man, 28%. No, 26. Alright. For now that my plants is growing, let's take a look around. This guy has. Oh, that's a big tomato. This is oh, if I can steal that, I will steal all of these flowers. Right? Let's look into this guy's garden. Wait, that's a mouse, right? Oh yeah, that's a mouse. Ooh, that's a big hedgehog. Big hedgehog. Oh, that hedgehog is hungry, man. Oh, I wanna get those eggs. I wanna get the golden Labrador. Okay, let's keep collecting. Is it finished yet? Oh, no. It's not finished. Let's keep on selling this. Uh, Alright, guys. If I get something good, I'll cut again. Alright. Now that the bamboo is finished growing, let's collect it up. Oh, wait, it's night time. I should have waited. Alright, let's sell it and buy one more bamboo. Oh, 7k, that's good. I can buy two. Wait, where's the bamboo? Oh no, it's out. Oh, pull it. Try all of this. Yes, 15. This will make me like probably like 20k, like that. 20k. Only. Now, let's wait for like. Let's collect it all. Right? After we collect it, let's sell. How much? How much? How much? Boom! 25k. Now we can buy these, all of these, and more pumpkin. One pumpkin. That's good. That's good. Oh, we're almost there. We can buy the eggs. We can buy eggs because it's all like that's a rare. They are like 50k per eggs for common. Let's plant these and then the pumpkin. Ooh, let's collect and sell it again. However, guys, this is going to be the first episode for the Noob to Pro Garden. I'll have to end my video here because I need to do something. Alright, bye.